Hi everyone, welcome to our second lesson. Today we are going to talk about hobbies. We are going to watch a video together and we try to answer some questions. But before that, I really want you to write down these questions on your copybook. You try to make sense of them. Then you watch the video and you try to answer. So, good luck everyone. Each of us has a hobby that we engage in during our free time. Hobbies are activities that bring us joy, relaxation, and fulfillment. They allow us to explore our interests, express ourselves, and develop new skills. Hobbies can vary greatly from one person to another. Some of us prefer sports and fitness. Many people enjoy playing sport like basketball, tennis, or swimming. Others prefer activities like running, hiking, yoga, or weightlifting to stay physically active. Creative arts, painting, drawing, sculpting, photography, and writing are popular hobbies that allow individuals to express their creativity and emotions. Some people also enjoy playing a musical instrument or singing. Some love to explore culinary arts, experimenting with recipes, and trying out new cooking techniques. This can be a delightful hobby for those who enjoy working in the kitchen. Playing video games, either individually or with friends online, has become a popular hobby for many people of different age groups. It offers entertainment, challenges, and opportunities for social interaction. Gardening, cultivating plants, tending to a garden, and watching them grow can be a rewarding hobby. It allows individuals to connect with nature and create beautiful outdoor spaces. Reading, engaging in the world of books, whether fiction or non-fiction, is a hobby enjoyed by many. Reading can transport us to different worlds, expand our knowledge, and stimulate our imagination. Collecting. Some people find joy in collecting items such as stamps, coins, antiques, comic books, or trading cards. This hobby often involves researching and acquiring unique pieces to add to a personal collection. After all these, tell us about your hobby. What do you enjoy the most?